Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Ketchikan. It's currently 5:15 in the morning, and it is so freaking quiet. Hold on, I have to figure out where I'm going. It's not on 16. We're gonna go to 6 and figure it out from there. But we get in port today at 6:30. We were supposed to change our times back on our watches 1 hour.
Slowing down.
And because I was using my phone and my phone was in airplane mode, it went off an hour early. So now I'm up, I'm awake. I don't really want to fall back asleep. So I'm going down to get coffee. It's so freaking quiet, and I don't think I can get down from here. Help. Nope, can't get down from here. Oh. Here's the thing, I have to go up to go down. The layout of the ship is very, very weird. So let's figure out how to go get some coffee. Like, I know the demographic of the ship is a little bit older, but I would think I would at least see somebody. I mean, I saw one guy, but he lives on the ship and works on the ship, so I don't know. Oh, let's see what we can see. So pretty. Alright, let's go find some coffee and probably go see some views on the deck. Of course, when there's nobody around, I feel way more comfortable vlogging, but it is what it is. Today we do not have any excursions planned. We will be going with the flow of today, checking out Ketchikan. And yeah, just go with the flow. We'll be in port from 6:30 until 2:30 today. And then we head off to Endicott Arm and Dawes Glacier. So let's go and find some coffee. I found everybody. Everybody who's up is getting coffee. We're being followed by another ship. They're coming into port as well. I don't know what ship that is. I don't know if it's the New Amsterdam ship we saw by Holland America or Celebrity. Let's try to find out. Looks like Celebrity. It's gonna be a busy day at port. Alright, we're now up. We're going to the Skyway dining room for breakfast. Chris has the drone, so hopefully we can get some good drone footage for today.
Oh, here's the...
Yeah. Oh. Nice. Cute. Cute. But yeah, we'll go get some breakfast, get off the ship, explore around a little bit. And we're meeting the family at the Dog Saloon at noon for a duck party. Shots. port if it doesn't have a diamond or a Diamonds International, or what is it, Del Sol? Is it truly a cruise port? The answer is no. So yes, Ketchikan is truly a cruise port.
Welcome to the OReilly District.
Hi, thanks. Dolly's place of business, where both the men and the salmon came upstream to spawn. Well, Chris was right next to me. I have no idea where he's at.
Huh?
Oh, there you are. I thought you were in there.
I'm saying, you see how much the tide is?
He's going backwards. Through Creek Street in Ketchikan, which used to be an old red light district. It's kind of sketchy. You have salmon berries. Salmon berries galore over here. They're everywhere. I'm gonna try salmon berries.
Salmon berries.
Hopefully I don't die.
Okay, let's try that again. Salmon berries. Delicious.
No, it's not.
Oh,
That's not good.
You know this plant life right here? It's so cool. It's growing off the rock.
It's like bitter.
It's like a tomato. Yummy, yummy.
Drop a coin, make a wish, you will be happy a boy can fish. Huh. That's at somebody's house. They have a pretty smart money tactic. Trap the tourists with a wishing well. We're now at the Totem Heritage Center. It's a pretty bit a ways from the port, I think a mile, maybe a mile and a half. Easy walk, lots of things to see like eagles and stuff. But I'm gonna go look at these totems. Fun fact, if you are military, you can get them for free. Military, local residents, everybody else,
And
adults.
third option, children.
Adults are 6, elders are 5, and children are free. So, yeah, active military is free.
here is a self-guided brochure, 2 stickers for you each to wear.
Okay.
Yeah. Fancy seeing you here.
Get them.
A little nature walk behind the Totem Heritage Center. Had like little placards of what the different trees are and stuff. It's pretty cool. It's got a lot of spider webs, but luckily Chris is leading the way and clearing them out for us.
His face.
Yes, with his face. Found a better looking salmonberry. Cheers. The yellow ones are definitely sweeter.
Teeth.
Hmm?
Some of teeth.
Yeah.
Might you a pine cone?
Not necessarily. Yeah, I think the yellow one was sweeter. The red ones taste more like a tomato, like you said. Did you like it, or? I still prefer raspberries.
Tastes sour to me.
Yeah.
In the back of my throat.
I need to go find somewhere to get a beverage.
That tasted sour.
Like tart?
Yeah. Or the tomato's not tarty. So I don't even know if I can compare the two.
Yeah. I'm trying to go find, oh, here it is. The Deer Mountain Fish Hatchery. Giant gold nugget behind us. Think we could take that home?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in my pocket.
The hatchery seems to be closed. Oh yeah, it's closed to the public. Well, darn. Oh, look. Look.
They're against the rocks.
Oh, I see.
It's like a little tiny guy.
Yeah, little mini.
Go get him.
I think this is called Upwards Way or something like that. We have no idea what's up here. Looks to be a dead end. Oh, you can see all the cruise port. So you got the Carnival Spirit right here, the Silver Moose, which I've never actually heard of, and then next to us is a Holland America, New Amsterdam, and then our house ship.
And we're walking and singing and walking and we're singing, do some walking, some singing, some walking and some singing.
Hey!
Walking and singing, we're walking and we're singing. No firearms allowed, no weapons allowed on this property because we're walking and singing and walking and we're singing.
Walking and singing, we're walking and we're singing.
Hey!
We're about to go try some salmon. Oh, salmon and espresso. No, I just want the salmon.
Angry man.
This is good. It's actually pretty good.
You didn't taste it, am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you.
I know you're happy hugging her.
I'm not hugging anybody.
So you have to go for the salmon. It's broke. I'm getting it.
That's really good. We've seen everything that we want to see or we can see. We went to like the outskirts of like where the museums are and stuff. So we're headed back to the ship now to go get some lunch and relax a little bit. We do leave at 2:30 and then we start sailing towards Endicott Arm and Dawes Glacier. So hopefully tonight we'll be seeing some glaciers and whales and stuff. So Yeah, this was a this was a nice little town. It was pretty cool. I guess we look young enough to do the stairs while everybody has to do the ramp. Well, all right, I guess.
Okay, number 5, who was named the MVP of Super Bowl 46 in 2012?
So that back there was a skywalk, but they have chairs and stools up against it, and you basically can't walk on it. But what I do like about it is that it's not clear glass, because I guess people would get scared with just straight clear glass, like there's dots on it, which is definitely different.
Province of Montevideo, come and join me and let's visit Montevideo.
I think this is my drink that they're about to make.
Uruguay's population calls
They're
this
playing the
city
video
home.
now.
It's truly a
Oh, it is a
beautiful
grappa
country.
Start our Cocoa Cafe, and this cocktail is Mr. Morgan. Morgan, are you here?
I'm here. Uh-oh. Thank you.
Thank you.